What is going on? Jose here, your local marketing guy. So today I wanted to share some tips on Google Business Profile and some things that they've changed, that they've added, and a feature that a lot of people aren't using for their business. So right here, this is my Google Business Profile for my business. And so one thing that I want to show first is this product section. This is a section that a lot of businesses are missing from their Google Business Profile listing. So I wanted to show you how you can actually set this up. So in order to get to your Google Business Profile, you will search for your business. You will be presented with all these options here. But here you will see Edit Products. And so if you hit Edit Products, it's going to give you the option here to add a product. Now, a lot of times your business may not be a product. You're not selling an actual product, but you're actually selling a service. Well, you can list your service as a product, right? You can productize a service. So you can list your service as a product within here, so that it populates within your business profile. And so here you simply hit Add Product, give it a product name, select a category or create the category. And so these categories can be SEO friendly, related to terms that people are searching on Google. So you can create that. If you'd like to put a price, you can. You don't have to. Most cases I tell people not to, so that people will actually inquire. But definitely put in a product description and then also a link to your website to that specific service page. So on your website, if you have a service page for it, link to it from there, as well as you do have to add in a photo for the actual product, and then you would hit publish and that will create the product. So really simple, and then you'll have all these little different cards that people will be able to view in your products as well as in your profile. The other thing I wanted to show you is within the Edit Profile option. So within Edit Profile now, there is a new area here for social media profiles. So here you can actually add in your social media links so that it can connect the profile to your social profiles. And so here I'm actually going to do this right now. So here you'll see, I'm going to just go through. You hit the drop down, select the social network, grab your URL for your page, and just hit add that. So I'm going to go ahead and add Instagram and YouTube as well. And there. So now that all the URLs are in there, I just hit save. And now that's going to go into like a little verification process. So it may take up to 10 minutes for it to get reviewed. But then it will show up on my social profile. I will have icons that will link over to my Facebook page, my Instagram page, and the YouTube page for the business. So that was a quick tip on how you can utilize Google Business Profiles, new social feature, and utilize products in order to have a nicer looking profile on your Google listing. If you have any questions or anything, make sure to contact me. All my contact information is below. Also visit reconmediainc.com for more information about our services. Again, I'm Jose, your local marketing guy. Talk to you soon.